This is a table I'm making for the wood shop here today. I'm finishing up the boards which will be for the lower and upper deck. They're 3/4 inch plywood. This is a height of about 36 inches with these casters on there. The casters are about a 4-inch height. The wheels are 3-inch in diameter. And I'm putting swivels on all 4 legs. Now you can see down in here, this the pads are of a thin plate steel, and I'll just bolt those onto the corresponding holes of the casters, swivel casters. The advantage of this is it'll hold quite a bit of weight. The 1.5 inch square tubing is 16 gauge, and because it rusts, I sprayed it with a clear Rust-Oleum anti-rust stuff you can get at the local hardware store. So there you have it. These are the 1/4 inch carriage bolts, and I'll countersink the heads slightly and use it in 6 positions, 3 front, 3 back, along the top surface of each of the decks. So as you can see here, there we go, up close, I've drilled the holes, 3 holes on either side. I'm going to have to do that once it's put together. Oh, he's getting happy with the adjustment, isn't he? So there you have it. The steel's worth about $140, and the boards are about $10 a piece scrap. So that's it. Thanks for watching.